gem, you're welcome to Loc Life with Lola Classic. And if you're new to my channel, this is a channel where I'm currently documenting my locks in its starter phase. So I am currently 6 months locked in and I'm trying to figure it out every day. I know you might just be someone like me who is trying to figure it out, so let's do this together. And today I am going to be sharing 5 simple ways you can style your locks. Actually, I know it can be a hassle for us. It took me a while to figure this out, and now I want to share it with you. So 5 ways you can style your locks. Let's get into it. But wait, before we get into it, click the subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so you can know anytime I post a video. And yes, let's get into it. Remove my bonnet. Let me take that off. Yay, this is my locks. Locks queen any day. Period. Not sprayed my water yet. So this is water and rosemary water. I mixed this together. So I'm just going to spray that all around my locks first. So mind me, I might be looking at this direction. There's a mirror here. So that's what I am using.
This is me spraying water into the locks and making sure it is where like settled and just separating my locks. So for this you'll be needing a bun. I got this bun from a vendor online when I started my locks because I know I would need it, as I can use bigger like bun yet. So all you need is a bun. I'm taking the black ones and I'm packing 1/2 of my hair up, and yeah, it's just quite simple. I do this a lot because it's a very simple style and it can go on any clothing. It's beautiful any day, anytime. As you can see, the sides just straight to the point, seconds and you're good to go. Like pack in seconds and you're good to go. And for the second style, we're still going to be using buns, but this time it's 2 buns that we are using. So I'll be packing one side of my hair up, and that's just it, me packing it up. Yikes. And the other side of my hair too, I'll be packing it up, leaving the back side, leaving some locks at the back, you know, free. So you have 2 sides packed up at the left and right hand side, and yikes, you're good to go. This is another one I love. If you get to see my pictures, you see me with this hairstyle a lot. Simple and nice, actually. It's my go-to any day, anytime. For this third style, we are going to be using just 1 bun, and then we pack the middle of the hair, pack it up, leaving the sides to dangle freely. Actually, we're not going to pack in the sides, we're just going to let it be free. As you can see, I'm making sure everything is level. Take your time to make sure you pack all the hair that is needed up, and that is what I'm doing. So it's time for me to tie. I actually tie my hair twice because I don't want it to be too tight. That's it. I really like this hairstyle because it is very easy and it gives your face another look compared to the others. As you can see, it's beautiful. I love. For this 4th hairstyle, we're going to be using 2 buns, just like the other one. I could be using 2 buns, and then we're going to be packing the center and leaving part of the locks. Some of the locks at the front, we'll leave them free. So we're packing one side of the center, and then we're going to pack the second side too. So let's get into it. Yes, this is me packing. I like freeing the ends though. It's not by force you want to free your ends. I like that gaga look. That's just it. So this is going to the second side of the hair to pack the center too, and we're leaving the front side. So this is how the style is. It's nice. It suits a jean wear to, you know, when you want to look like a little bit masculine. It's so nice though. Beautiful. I love it. For this next style, we're using 3 buns. So this time 3 black buns. So we're going to be packing our hair into 3 buns, right? So the left side, the right side, and then the back side all together. So just watch how I'm going to navigate that. Like I said, I am tender-headed, so I don't like to pack my locks too tight. If I pack them too tight, my head hurts, and then I have like migraines. So I am really careful while packing. And that's the last one. I'm going in with the last bun at the back. So let me just turn so you can see a view of that and how it looks. So this is how it's going to come out. Yeah, so feel free to always tweak it. I might show you styles, right? And then you can just be more creative with yours. You don't have to do exactly. You can do something like this and attach something to the back extensions and stuff like that. It's nice too, but as for me, I like to rock my locks the way it is, natural and beautiful. And of course, I'm adding this pin. It's my signature. I'm always putting this pin.
All you need is a bun. Actually, if you get a bun, you can style your hair in different ways that you can imagine. You can see these lovely earrings that I am wearing, and of course in most of my videos you see this cowrie bracelets. If you love it and you might want to like get it, I create handmade beaded accessories like waist beads, anklets, hair accessories, and a whole lot more. Like if you need accessories for your locks, I create them too. So you can check me out on Instagram at Lola Classic Craft to order. They are affordable, and of course they're unique and beautiful. And that will be all on Loc Life with Lola Classic. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell so that you can know anytime I post a video. See you next time with another lock update. Mwah!